Here we've got Nokia 5310, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So if you'd like to put some unique wallpaper at your background, just open Menu at first, then reach Settings, and go to Display Settings. Then choose Wallpaper, and you can either pick something from your own pictures by tapping on Photos, or one from default wallpapers of Nokia. So let me choose default wallpapers, and here you've got two options. So this is the one that we currently have, and let me view this one, and this is the second one. So let me apply this one, tap on Choose, and then you can fit it to display, rotate left, rotate right, or put it in the center. So I will fit it to display, and it's done. As you can see, from now on, this wallpaper is covering our home screen. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.